Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Invitation Homes property management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Invitation Homes is a property management app designed to help residents manage their rental homes more efficiently. It provides access to essential tools such as online rent payment, maintenance request submissions, lease information, and communication with the property management team. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is intended to simplify day-to-day home management for tenants. The app's main feature is its streamlined resident portal. You can pay rent digitally, submit maintenance issues with photos, and track the status of service requests in real time. Users can also review lease details, manage move-in and move-out tasks, and receive updates or alerts from the management team directly inside the app. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its convenience, especially the ease of submitting maintenance requests and tracking progress. The ability to manage rent payments online and access documents without visiting an office makes the process smoother for residents. The interface is generally user-friendly and helps centralize important information. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report delays in maintenance responses, occasional glitches during login or payment processing, and limited customization within the app. Additionally, certain features depend on local property management teams, so the experience may vary by location. In summary, the Invitation Homes app may be worth using if you want a centralized and convenient way to handle rent payments, maintenance requests, and communication with your property manager. However, if you prefer in-person interactions or find occasional app glitches frustrating, it might not feel essential for your rental experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.